Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. For those who keep up with this channel, we have discussed cryptocurrencies, so-called digital currencies, Bitcoin, etc., at some length in various videos on this channel. We took a bit of a hiatus from discussing that specific issue, mostly because there's been some recent holidays here in Thailand, and also because I kind of wanted to wait around until there was a fair amount of meat to really get my teeth into in a video on this topic, and here we are. In a recent article in the Bangkok Post, it's entitled, Crypto Fans Urge Capital Gains Rethink, 17th April 2018, quoting directly, crypto enthusiasts and issuers of initial coin offerings have asked the finance ministry to delay or waive the capital gain tax to be imposed on ICOs and cryptocurrency trading, aiming to assist the fundraising process for startups domestically. Quoting further, operators of cryptocurrency e-wallet service have to apply for a license from the Securities and Exchange Commission if the wallet doesn't use bot for cryptocurrency trading. Other e-wallet companies operating services in bot are required to have a minimum registered capital of 200 million baht and must apply for a license from the Bank of Thailand. So, a couple of things that are worth noting there. Most interestingly to me, other e-wallet companies operating services in bot are required to have a minimum registered capital of 200 million and apply for a license from Bank of Thailand. Up to this point, that's the most clarified I've seen on the overall issue of like e-wallets in the kingdom. That being said, that may not be where this finally sort of shakes out, but it is of note. And clearly, licensing for non-currency, for non-bot denominated wallets is of interest. But what I find interesting is the entire reason that they're bringing up this, that various advocates are bringing up this notion of trying to, get rid of the capital gains tax associated with cryptocurrencies is to try and create Thailand as a platform for cryptocurrencies, exchanges, initial coin offerings, etc. I'm not going to get into what I think personally as to whether it's right or wrong to have a capital gains tax on cryptocurrency, although I can certainly see the argument that by imposing a tax, it creates a sort of a relative disadvantage for Thailand compared to other jurisdictions which have basically, in some jurisdictions, no tax regime with respect to cryptocurrency whatsoever. It's my personal opinion, notwithstanding issues associated with the taxing of cryptocurrency, especially with initial coin offerings. I think the relevant regulators are more interested in coming up with a workable framework in order to properly enforce laws and discourage things like fraud in this sort of ecosystem. That really seems to me to be more their priority. That being said, government's priority is oftentimes revenue generation. So it's not a shock to me that they've proposed a capital gains tax, and it wouldn't be a shock to me if they actually impose one. But that being said, how this actually plays out remains to be seen. But a couple of key things to keep in mind with respect to some of the key developments, there does appear to be a stronger, sort of more a more coherent regulatory framework is coming into focus, and we're also seeing a tax enforcement framework coming into focus. Exactly what this is going to look like sort of at the end of all the wrangling, again, remains to be seen, but we'll keep you updated as things progress.